That was a good one.
Sorry about that. Try to get what you have left on there. Of that, kind of at the same time, or we could move it as kind of, instead of trying to do it more than one. So,
Said I graduated to getting a new dent right here tomorrow. Oh, that's not too bad. I've seen worse. Ready to hit the whole thing with some red Scotch-Brite. Get it ready for a primer.
So I am going to start.
Feels pretty right to me.
Oh, that feels.
You're gonna touch it, touch something.
Hey, feel this right here. Feel this
I'm
right
not
here.
touching it.
I'm sorry.
Feel the difference.
Good runs in there.
Yeah, a few little sags in that one.
Yeah, we'll fix it up. Oh yeah. That looks good, man. That's cool.
We have a lot of dirt.
Do you typically take out the dirt before you do the run or after?
Depends on how bad.
Feels good to me.
It's.
Oh man. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Thought I was doing everything right.
I like blinkers there. Like, is this fun?
Look at all the dirt in it. It's pretty bad. Oh, buddy.
Spray bottle.
Got those runs out. Two more. One right there. Right there and right there. Alright, the runs are gone. Started cleaning the orange peel, huh? Woo, baby. Crazy. Get the dirt out. 800 or 1,000 grit, almost completely covered. Still got to do a little bit more. It's hard to see when it's wet, so I've got to dry it off every once in a while. See where I need to go back to. Runs are gone. Got a little bit more orange peel there, a little bit here, tiny bit through here, a little bit there. Man, time consuming. Almost there. 1,000 grit, almost done. All right, finally got all the runs out. Thousand grit, feeling good. Jumping up to 15. All right, I got all the whole fender sanded down to 1,500 grit. Oh, it feels so good. Got a slight remnant of a run right there. There's kind of a little lob. I'm gonna hit it with 1,000 and then go right to 2,000, and that'll take that down, I think. We'll do that in the morning. Then we're gonna polish. Ready to start cutting. You get the buffer out with the wool pad. Got it all down to 15 hundo. Not too bad.
So we have to make winter coat. We need 3 components. We have our clear coat. We have our reducer, which makes it spreadable. But this is up like concentrate. This is concentrated clear coat.
This is just cutting, no polishing yet. Getting closer.
Not yet.
I can respect that. Hey, everybody can respect LG Bronco.
I love good Bronco.
Yes. War buying is fun, right?
Huh?
War buying is fun.
Yeah.
Sparkly.
What the hell happened?
getting ready for polish.
Clear coat.
I got it cut and buffed.
No, you're gonna be prepping the whole fender.
So,
For free. Oh yeah. But we're not doing that now. Yeah. So here, I got one
time for polish.
Even coats is better than fine. Too much is not good either. So what we did is,
A little dusty.
hey, these wouldn't be on here.
But
You
food
take
perfect is to
That's
which the
crazy.
restaurant, which is have it hang on.
It's really cool.
All of the like
Ooh.
These don't look bad.
everyone that
We could have maybe sanded a little more.
That's cool. I'm ecstatic with it, man. I just think it's the coolest thing. But we did that. Came back from break and somebody keyed my car. Hey. Dude, that's deep. So deep. Yikes. Time to fix it up. Ooh, that's crazy. Gotta get that scratch out. I decided to take it up a little higher because I did have some runs here on the first coat that I couldn't feel them, but I could still see evidence of them because of the way the paint dried and the gases were still trapped in there. So I'm gonna try to correct that while I'm at it. Got through the clear, the sealer, the primer, the filler, all the way to the steel. Man, that scratch was good.